Hey! So in today's video I'm going to be dyeing my hair these two fabulous colours, a pink and a blue split dye, and I guess that's all that needs to be said, so let's get into the video. So as you can see, I've already bleached my hair. I actually did that this morning. I decided to do that off camera because I thought it would be easier and faster, as well as it's not really that interesting. There are so many videos of people bleaching their hair, so I decided not to do that in the video, but it's already done. But for the fun part, we're now going to split dye my hair blue and pink, and we're going to see how this goes because I haven't done this in a while and I have very different types of dye. I'm really just working with whatever I have, and I'm hoping that it's going to work because I need it to. So I guess with that being said, we can get into the actual dyeing. So there, I'm finished. I've got my blue and pink. I'm actually quite surprised that I was able to get the blue to fill up half of my hair because I honestly didn't think that I'd had enough dye, and somehow I made it work. I'm still not particularly sure how well they're going to dye, as the one I have had for a while, and this color being a bit lighter, I have been struggling with banding, so I don't know how even it's gonna be, but that's okay. I don't really mind. As long as it looks kind of cool, then I don't really mind at all. So I've got a timer set for 20 minutes, which we're going to start right now. And then in 20 minutes I will wash it out and I will show you. So this is the final result. I think I've come out of this with a beautifully vibrant pink and blue look. There are a few inconsistencies, though when I dyed my hair I knew that I'd kind of already been struggling with severe banding and discoloration from previous dyes and bleaching my hair and the fact that it wasn't all one solid color. So there are a few different shades of each color in my hair, but to be honest, it really doesn't bother me. I'm not too concerned in the slightest. So a couple days ago I actually got a reminder on Facebook, those Facebook memories that you get every now and then, and I was pleasantly surprised to find that a couple years ago when Devil Driver came to play in South Africa and Julian and I went, that morning of the show I dyed my hair in a split color as well, and it was blue and purple, and it was really pretty. And it was kind of a really nice surprise to see that memory that 2-3 years ago, whenever it was actually quite a while, but it was really nice to see that that memory pops up, and however many years later I've done a split dye again and something kind of similar, since the colours aren't too different from what I had then. I've had so much fun dyeing my hair. I really have not done anything with my hair recently. The last few videos I've uploaded, that color was done professionally when I was a hair model and I loved it, but eventually it did fade. Considering everything that's going on at the moment, considering being in self-isolation and needing some fun and light and positivity, considering factors like that, I am really happy with how my hair turned out. I think it's fun and it's exciting. It's probably the most exciting thing that has happened to me in weeks, since everything is very hard and negative at the moment. This, for me, brings a lot of fun and positivity back into my life, and I really do appreciate that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed dyeing my hair some funky colors, and I will see you guys later. Bye!
Thanks for watching.